How do we adapt our farms to withstand environmental pressures while still making the business of farming viable? That's the question we aim to contribute an answer to.
Sapperton Wilder is taking a pioneering approach to test realistic, regenerative farming methods and build an ecological, evidence-based case study, finding the balance between food production and nature's recovery.
I farmed this particular land parcel for 40 years intensively. The land has been exhausted. This year has been a particularly difficult year with very poor yields, with drought, quality was down. It's a very difficult time for farmers.
We're in a transition not only in farming but also in farming policy. Money is shifting from paying farmers to farm to paying for the environmental benefits they're producing. Farmers are faced with a lot of uncertainty, and projects like this, which are able to share the decisions they're making, play an incredibly important part in helping farmers navigate that really difficult situation.
What excites me about this project is having the evidence, capturing the data, being able to present it to other farmers, giving them hope for the future.
We're not perfect, particularly as we establish new systems, but we are making strides to showcase what's feasible for most farmers.
The vision I have for Sapperton Wilder long term is one where this land goes on for hundreds of years and it continues to both feed people whilst showing how we can restore biodiversity and manage habitats, so we can contribute to the evolution of sustainable farming systems